place ant gel bait where foraging workers naturally travel so it will be taken back to the colony. Place bait along visible ant trails and adjacent to entry points like door thresholds and windowsills where ants first appear. Position small beads or drops of gel in cracks and crevices behind baseboards, under cabinets, and near the back of appliances such as refrigerators and stoves where ants hide and travel. Use a narrow tip applicator to place pea-sized amounts every 2 to 3 inches along a trail rather than one large blob so multiple workers can feed without crowding. Keep bait stations and gel spots away from areas accessible to children and pets and out of direct sunlight or heat sources so the bait does not dry out and lose attractiveness. Replace or refresh bait when it has been consumed or if it becomes contaminated with food residues because ants will ignore tainted baits. If you cannot see a trail, observe for several minutes at dawn or dusk when activity peaks to map routes and then place bait within a few inches of where ants are actively moving. Common mistakes include applying bait directly on crumbs or food, which makes ants prefer the real food and ignore the gel. Remove food residues and clean the area before baiting so the gel is the best available food. Another issue is placing bait in open high-traffic areas where pets or children can contact it. Move bait into protected gaps behind appliances or use tamper-resistant stations to prevent accidental access. A third mistake is moving or removing bait too soon when people think they are winning. Allow bait to remain until activity stops for several days because it takes time for foragers to distribute poison to the nest members. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find new work related to home pest control and other home projects. Our site includes a discussion community where we and other members share hands-on tips, track local pest trends, and discuss product experiences.